A very good morning to all. I am Garima Sariyal, your EVS teacher, and today we are studying our chapter that is air and water. So student, in this chapter we will study about the properties of air and water and the uses of air and water. So first of all, we will study about air. Do you know what is air? Let me tell you. Air is the mixture of various gases which is surrounded the earth. And tell me one thing. Can you see the air? Or can you touch the air? Or can you smell the air? Or can you taste the air? No, we cannot see air, we cannot touch air, we cannot taste air, and we cannot smell air. But it's not like that there is no air. Students, air is present everywhere. We can just feel it, but we cannot touch it, smell it, taste it, or hold it. We can just feel it. We can just feel it when the air moves. So, you can take a paper and if you move it like this, you can feel air, right? So, the thing is that we can feel air but we cannot touch it, hold it, taste it or smell it. So, we can feel air when a fan is switched on. Yes, in summer days, when we sit in front of the fan, we can feel air, right? Next, we can feel air when our wet clothes get dried without sunlight. Next, we can feel cold breeze blows in winters. And we can also feel hot wind blows in summers. So all these things tells you that you can only feel air, right? So students, in our life, we all need air. We all need clean and fresh air. Whether it is animals or plants, we all need clean and fresh air for living. So in your book, you have given a small activity in which you have to take a small potted plant and you have to cover it with a plastic bag like this. You have to take a small potted plant and then you have to cover it like this with a plastic bag. So after some time you will find that the plant is becoming unhealthy. Do you know why? Yes, because the plant is not getting proper air, right? I have told you that we all need air. We all need clean and fresh air. And when we will put the plastic bag around the plant like this, then it will not get proper air and then it will become unhealthy. But if you remove this plastic bag from the plant, then again the plant will become healthy. So now let's see the uses of air in our daily life. So students, there are so many things in which we need air. For example, like tire, balloons, football, we need all of them, but we need all of them when they are filled with air. Without air, they are useless. So we need air in these things. So students, try to find something surrounded you, those things which are filled by air. Try to notice those things surrounded you which are filled by air and you have to write those things here in this. You have to find 3 things and then you have to write those things here. So students, the fast moving air is called wind, which is also very helpful for us. Have you seen clouds in the sky? Yes, sometimes clouds are there in the sky, but sometimes clouds are not there in the sky. Do you know why? Yes, because the wind helps the clouds to move one place to another place. That's why we can see clouds sometimes and sometimes not. So basically air is very useful for us, right? Air helps us to dry our clothes when the sun is not present. When Air also make the sailboat move on water, and air is also needed for burning also. So you can see there are so many uses of air, and we can use air in many ways. So students, today we have studied about the air. So in the next class we will study about water. So till then, thank you so much. Have a nice day.